Here we've got Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer and make sure that you are on contacts. So if you are, for example, in recents or favorites, just switch to contacts. And now let's pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and actually that would be Ellie in my case, and click on edit then. And now just mark add photo, and as you can see here, you can smoothly pick either some emoji, also the particular pose. Then you can choose some emoji right here. Or you can remove it and add yours. For example, this one. Then change the style by tapping on style. And as you can see here, you can change the background. But also you can add your own picture. So if you want to grab a picture when your friend is staying right in front of you, just mark the camera, and now you can take it and you can choose something from your own gallery. So let me pick, for example, okay, so it doesn't want to load, so then let me pick this one, tap on choose. Then you can change the filter if you want to, tap on done then, and click on done to save. And from now on, anytime Ellie will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first, so you don't have to think about who is calling you, just take a look at your screen. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.